This will be found by
Mono Acre Dance X Loyalty Awardee Kong Daute. Laksamana Adrian G. Lucky Pong San L. Leonard San Michael D. Lasak Revelin X.
This will be found by BS or Hero. BSCM 4201. BSCM 4201. Rocky. Alright, thank you so much. BSHM 420. Congratulations, guys. Next, nakiyat na po BSTM 4201. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Moving forward, we have the ICT department starting with the BSCP 4201.
Dapat tawagin sila kuya eh, mga pagpapicture tayo dito. Saan ba dali mo? Ha? Tawagin ko picture tayo dito. Hanggat meron kong mga klase dyan. Ayaw. Pagkatapos mo.
We are calling the attention of the BSCS and ACT on the right-hand side. BSCS 4201, ACT 201.
English never forward when we pop pills. Sick flow, innovative with the dot pills. Work hard, now we we know how to top bills. In the middle of the street doing cartwheels. None of them try to do it, but it's not real. Wasn't a rapper, then I could've got a pop tail. White curls and a hot pink hot wheels. Like a bottles and a lot of funky cocktails. Dance about lives.
Ready, ready. Let's go.
So
One.
we'll just get it with no edits and no time for close minds. And free my bro easy. And let's just get paid. Young money, cash money in the building. Let's go, the world ends
Dito po sa lahat ng exit ng Natirians guys. Next po, BSCS and ACT Akyat na po.
Ay, gusto niyo mag-tray?
And we celebrate. Picture kayo. Aaron. 1, 2. Okay. Ay.
Starting with the General Editing Department, Mr. Marco L. Punta. And Communication Technology Department, Ms. Lara Camille V. Vergara.
San Miguel de Rondel, BC. San Victorious Aliana Z, magna cum laude. And Zamora Marjan Cruz Mark Fredil Torres Joyce Salazar Rodelio DC Samala Sifred Alba Robes John Patrick Lee
versions of ourselves, we had to carry on. Reaching the final outfit, everyone is looking forward to wearing in their lifetime of study. As we take each step on this stage, I hope we look back at the proud moments we earned, whether they may be small or large in quantified numbers, whether they be inside or outside the classroom. Everything was a win when we spent our time, energy, and effort to not just receive good grades, but to do everything that our future selves will thank for. Especially to Almighty God who granted us this opportunity to witness each dream being opened. All glory belongs to Him. And to my fellow graduates who have shown up today as the best version of yourselves, after all the preparation and hard work, welcome to this moment of celebration. This is the very reason we chose to keep showing up, even on our most difficult days. This is the moment that made every sacrifice worth it. Today belongs to us. 5 to 10 years from now, we may be wearing different uniforms and attire, pursuing separate paths and chasing dreams. There may be goals already achieved, and there may be opportunities contrast to what we initially planned. We may see ourselves far from the freshman college who entered the classroom, clueless about what's to come. But when the realities of adulthood and the pressures of life weigh on us, may we look back on this version of ourselves and remember that we overcame every challenge through determination and perseverance. The same fire that carried us through our college years still lives within us. The days after this moment of celebration may be uncertain and questionable on its own way. But that's the beauty of taking your own journey. To continuously chase a path and figuring it out along the way. I hope that through this message, you will embrace the person you have become. Seize this moment with pride and look ahead with excitement and confidence to the countless opportunities that await for each of us. With that, I would like to once again extend a warm welcome to everyone present at this graduation ceremony. May all the hard work and dedication that went into making this event possible culminate in a meaningful celebration. Let us cherish this milestone in our lives and embrace the future with confidence. Congratulations, everyone. All glory belongs to God.
Thank you, Ms. Lucinda Calipante, for the welcoming remarks. And to present
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. 3 candidates for the Associate in Computer Technology. Mr. Denmark Mendoza, since all the candidates presented for graduation have well and faithfully fulfilled all the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, I hereby petition to certify the completion of the requirements of these candidates. I respectfully request that the candidates under the tertiary programs be awarded an academic degree of Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Associate in Computer Technology, which they have met.
STI with the Commission on Higher Education of the Republic of the Philippines. I confer on you the academic degree of Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Associate in Computer Technology, with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereunto. I now confirm you as tertiary graduates for school year 2025-2026. Congratulations.
Congratulations, you may now take your seats.
Alam kong wala kami pambayad ng college. Kaya nung may lumapit na isang organisasyon at nagsabing bibigyan kami ng full scholarship, libre ang tuition, libre ang tutuluyan, at nakakapag-aral kami sa Manila, hindi na ako nag-isip. Sabi ko, ito na ang gusto ko. Nagkaroon kami ng workshop sa mundo ng lisanan. Excited ako. Akala ko, tuturuan kami maging scholars. Pero ang unang tinuro sa amin ay hindi math, hindi English, hindi rin leadership. Tinuruan kami magbenta ng ballpen. Hindi lang basta magbenta, tinuruan kami lumapit sa tao. Tinuruan kami gamitin ang pagiging estudyante namin kung paano magsalita para maawa ang ibang tao. Para magpilisin ng pera kapalit ng ballpen. Kung may lumapit na sa inyo po na estudyante ng bebenta ng ballpen para lang sa pag-aaral, posibleng katulad ko rin siya natin. Dumating pa sa puntong pumunta kami ng Divisoria para matingin ng tirang gulay. Pagkatapos, bumabalik kami sa isang maliit na kwarto kung saan 20 hanggang 30 batang babae ang nagsisiksikan sa sayo. Walang kama, walang unan. Baglang ang ulan namin. Pero alam niyo kung ano isip ko noon? Kung ito ang paraan para makapag-college ako, kakayanin ko. Ganito kalakas ang pangarap. Minsan, handa kang tiisin ng mali dahil iniisip mo, yun lang ang titirang pag-asa. Isang araw, biglang dumating ang mama ko. Pagkakita niya sa sitwasyon, sinabi niya, uuwi tayo. Sabi ko, Mama, kaya ko naman. Dahil para sa akin ako, kung uuwi ako, sinusubuan ko ang pangarap kong makapag-college. Pero hindi pumayag ang mama ko. Sinundo niya ako at umuwi kami dalawa habang ako umiiyak sa paghihinay. Makalipas ang ilang buwan, lumabas sa investigador ang organisasyon niyo.
Calano Nicole S. Juan Oliver C. Holo Andre Lance S. Loyalty Awardee, cum laude. Laksamana Adrian G. Lucky Paul John M. Lara John Michael D. Lasak Reveline S.